Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to set up or change the screen lock, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, go down until you find security and privacy, and then go there, and over here choose device unlock. Over here we have screen lock, we can go there, and now we can set up the method to unlock our device. So we have swipe, which allows you to simply swipe in order to unlock your device. We have pattern that allows you to draw a pattern by connecting dots. And we can also use a pin code, which uses only numbers, and we need to use at least 4 digits. And we also have password. So let's say I'm gonna choose a pin code. Now I'm gonna set up a simple one. Then we can go next. We need to enter the same pin code again and confirm. There we go. Then we have notifications during the lock screen. I'm just gonna press done over here, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.